we are at Ipoh, and we just arrived into the station, and everyone's leaving. We have to get to our hotel. This is the train with Valeska, and we just arrived. And what do you think of the train trip? Just give me your opinion.
It's very fast.
Relaxing?
Oh yeah,
You fell asleep?
I slept for a while.
Yeah, so about 2.5 hours from Kuala Lumpur to Ipoh.
First time come to Ipoh?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I've never been here, so we're seeing it all for the
There's
first.
so many interesting places.
I've heard,
About the mountains.
So we've arrived here in Ipoh and we're at the hotel, and you're enjoying the hotel?
I'm enjoying the whole thing. It's so nice.
Exotic
I
hotel.
can feel the storm coming.
So we're just starting our afternoon walk on day 3, and we're in Ipoh. We haven't seen anything yet. We just arrived in Ipoh. And we're going for a walk down to the park and then onto the old city, Old Ipoh, or something like that it's called. And apparently there's a lot of restaurants, but right here it's a very pleasant, it's going a bit closer, very pleasant park. I love parks. Horse with a guitar or something, and a body, and an ox. We just stopped in for a Coke. There's Valeska. Hi. And we're just getting a Coke, a very quick rest after a bit of walking. How old is this car? Seems like it's probably 50, 60 years old. It's absolutely ancient. And we're here in the street. Well, we just come off this street over here and everything was boarded up. Nothing is happening. It's the middle of, about 4 in the afternoon, business day, Wednesday. It's all shut up. Okay, we're just going into the park, and this is around 5 p.m. or just after 5. Not a soul in this park. There's a playground, and there's absolutely no children there whatsoever. It's like everyone is gone, all the shops are boarded up. And I have to do some research and find out why this place is looking like something out of a science fiction movie where all the people have left. And I still can only come up with that one explanation. They all freaked out and decided that they should shut down their businesses to save themselves from the terrible disease called COVID, which in turn has wrecked this town. Here's a park right in the center of the city, and it is completely dead in the middle of the week. There is no public holiday, and if there was a public holiday, you'd expect a park to be busy on a nice evening. Completely dead and run down, and there's got to be an explanation, and I'm very curious to find out what it is. Oh, there's a person. Another human being. Wow, in the park. It's called Valeska.
Hello. Yes, this is so dead.
We are absolutely amazed at what we're seeing. And if we go out in the streets, dead. What is the explanation? We shall find out. So we just come out of that Mr. Dead area, which I've never seen anything like it in an Asian town. Just like everyone left town. And my working theory is the pandemic came and wiped out all the businesses. So the great panicdemic of 2020, 21, did so much damage, so much collateral damage that was 100 times worse than the actual damn thing itself. We just got the report there of the shopkeeper, as you saw, that COVID had ruined this town, and I haven't seen a place so devastated by this disease here. It's what has obviously got into the minds of the people, the great panicdemic of 2020-21. But he said it was shut down for some years now, and basically a town destroyed, literally ripped apart, destroyed. And yeah, it's a sad remnant probably of what it was. It was probably a great place, full of life and soul, and now gone. All the people have gone. Because we're just trying to get an explanation for the why the town is so dead.
I think it's not dead. Something like it is on Wednesday today, so
Yeah.
I'm very shy.
Oh, that's all right. But yeah, just because it's Wednesday afternoon, you know, yeah.
Currently on weekend. You can come here on Sunday and Saturday.
This little laneway is lively. Yeah, yeah, gotcha. Oh, well, thank you. Thanks for the hat. Thank you. Okay, but let's go. I'll tell you my theory. Everyone's denying it. Because it's so obvious that the whole place is run down and finished. And the fellow was very honest, the Indian fellow, as he said that it's all COVID and it's been like this for 3 years.
Nothing to do with this, like, they're
But
closed.
it seems like they're in denial,
Yeah.
or have been told to be in denial, for not to admit that something terrible has happened here. Because I have never seen anything like this. Ever in any of my Asian trips. This is an absolute first. Just having a Carlsberg, refreshing Carlsberg in a very dead bar because no one here. We're the only people, and no customers. The poor people who work here, they try their hardest. They've been putting up Halloween stuff, but there's no economy here that I can see. Can you see any economy?
No, we're the only two customers.
Yeah. It's so interesting what has been happening. We just met this very nice man. Let's get
I do insurance.
And look at this. I'm gonna go around you to show the beautiful scenery.
Stunning scenery.
Very nice, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, first time you pay visit to Malaysia.
Yes,
First time, huh?
First time.
How you feel Malaysia?
We love the food.
Love
We love
it.
the, yeah, we
Yeah.
love the food.
Multicultural.
That's right.
Multi-races.
Very multicultural.
Yeah, nice, huh?
Yeah.
Are you doing a walk now
Yeah,
around?
2 rounds already, enough already.
How many times?
Two rounds enough already. 72 already.
You're looking very good.
Yeah, but you must maintain the health.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
And keep fit and happy.
Yeah.
He's helping us cross the road. This is very nice of him. I better watch myself. I don't want to get knocked down. But it was very nice of him. And look, we got this beautiful beautiful building.
It's an Indian Muslim mosque.
Ah, it's everything.
I think my place that is a Chinese
Yeah.
Muslim mosque.
Dusk on day 3, and we're here in the river. And if you look up there, there's our hotel block where we're staying tonight. Not too bad. Oh, we got to go under the bridge, climb up to get to our hotel. But it's been an interesting day, I have to say the least. Very enjoyable. Starting out in Kuala Lumpur, ending up in Ipoh, and finding out what the COVID virus has done to a town. Not from the actual disease itself, but from the collateral harm it's caused, which is just ginormous here. And it just shows when there's no government support, which obviously there wasn't, everyone went broke. Everyone. 90% of the place. And deserted the town. Everyone's playing cards, aren't they?
They're playing cards, they're playing other games. I don't know what games that.
Yeah. And what we're noticing is how young everyone is here. Like, no one looks like they're over 18. Just look so young. This is where our taxi driver brought us. And it's kind of like a beer barn set up called the Warehouse. They seem to love Guinness. The worst bloody drink in the world.